What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Reviews. Today we've got something pretty cool as far as charging up your Phantom 4, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so as you know, we fly the Phantom 4 Advanced. We did have the Pro. I'm still holding back on explaining what happened to that. However, as I've said in multiple videos, we utilize multiple batteries, and we suggest that if you're flying your drone, even as a hobbyist, but you like to use it often, definitely purchase a couple of batteries. Now, at this time, the turn of 2018, these guys retail for about $149. I have seen them as low as about $129, but they're a pretty hefty investment. So one of the obvious key components with having multiple batteries, of course, is that you have more flight time. So if you're out doing whatever it is, you're on a vacation, maybe you're setting up that perfect shot for that video you're making, or you're taking some wicked photos. Well, obviously, you need multiple batteries. So DJI, as you guys probably know, if you don't already have one, but if you're looking into a DJI product, especially the Phantom 4, this is what the charger looks like that comes with it. So it is a pretty smart design idea from DJI. I'll give them that. You've got a Y connector right off the cord, and then you've got your battery charger and then your remote charger. So it's built into one. Now, obviously, you just plug in one battery at a time. However, if you are on the road or you are constantly doing whatever it is you're doing, one of the things that I needed and wanted after plugging one in, forgetting about it, doing something else, plugging another one in, and then you kind of lose track of it unless that's the only thing you're doing. But in my case, I've been very busy. So one of the things that we ended up looking at was the charging hub for the Phantom 4. Here's the little box it actually came in, little tiny box there. And this is what came with it. You've got a small instruction pamphlet. Looks like that right there. And then here's the hub itself. Now, this does seat 3 batteries at a time. It does not come with the charging cord. You'll actually utilize the stock charging cord on the battery portion, which is located in the back. Now, one of the cool functions with this unit, not only does it have the side lighting to inform you on what is being charged, but it also has charging and storage mode, so you can full on charge it. It'll do battery after battery until everything's charged and then continue to, or you can put it into storage mode, which essentially will just trickle charge or maintain. So it's a very nice feature, and it works very well. I have tested it. I use this product for a couple of months now. In fact, I let it sit on storage for 2 weeks, didn't touch anything, and it worked flawlessly. Came back, pulled them off, and they worked great. So that is the unit itself. It does also have a mini USB off of the front. Now, it's a pretty simple product. They retail, I've seen them as low as about 50 bucks, and they go up to 100. Now, again, if you take the cost of the batteries, your time in storing them, so forth and so on, it's not a bad investment. The other nice thing about this is in storage mode, this thing does hold the batteries nicely. And they only go in one way, as there's grooves cut into the charger itself. And it is kind of a nice, even just a battery holder. Obviously, for the price, you would hope so. But in this case, that's what it looks like, fully loaded. And it does inform you on the sides with the LEDs. So it's a pretty simple and sweet little setup. I would suggest it for anybody. They've got different assortments for different drones. It's not just exclusive. I know that some of the other drone makers have hubs as well. Obviously, I highly suggest it, just like I highly suggest having multiple batteries. There's nothing worse than getting ready to go do that shot, even if it's a simple shot, and only having one battery, or you're sitting there screwing around with, oh, I forgot to plug this in, or I have to do X, Y, or Z. It makes the process a lot easier. Now, I will have links to all of these products, batteries and charger down below, so make sure and check them out. So that really is the DJI Charging Hub for the Phantom 4. We do have a lot of other products that we're going to be reviewing. To include, we still got to get the drone up in the air, in which we haven't been able to do because of the weather. However, that video will be coming as soon as the weather allows us to get out there and put that baby up in the air so we can verify that everything is good to go. We do appreciate you guys stopping by Wrenched Out Reviews. We've got a lot of other great things we're going to be reviewing. We're going to be diving into more drone stuff, not only the Phantom, but we've got some cool ideas and some testing that we want to do with the 3DR Solo. So if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure hit that subscribe button down below or at the end of the video. We really do appreciate it. And of course, you can also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So thank you guys for checking out the DJI Phantom 4 Charging Hub. And if you guys are flying your drones, make sure check out all of your FAA rulings and fly safe.